Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to install NUOS smart touch switches in your home. All you need to do is replace your existing switches with NUOS smart touch switches. Now you need to trip the MCB of the required switchboard. Let's remove the cover plate and unscrew the switch plate from the wall. Now we need to unscrew the wires from the existing switches and remove the switches from the switch plate. Now let's begin with installing the base switch from the left side of the switch plate, followed by two extension switches on the right hand side of the base switch. The base switch is bigger than the extension switch in size. Now connect the first extension to the base through the connector provided, pushing it in the bottom slot of the base and second extension in the slot above it. The wiring of NUOS switches is extremely simple. The red wire is to be connected to the live or line wire of the supply, the black wire is to be connected to the neutral of the supply, and the yellow wires are to be connected to the respective loads of the supply. Secure the connections tightly with an electrical insulation tape to avoid any short circuit due to loose connection. Now let's screw the switch plate back to the wall. Put the cover plate back on the switch plate. Let's untrip the MCB and have fun using your NUOS switches. Voila, we are done with the installation. It's a truly DIY system. Do watch our next video to see how to install and set up your NUOS gateway using our Android or iOS app.